Well, bam. Lesson 10. Love this lesson. This is geometry. This is what I want actually to learn. The previous lesson, lesson 9, talked about similarity. That means that all of the angles had to be corresponding and congruent. A congruent to A, B to B, C to C. Or all of the segments had to be proportional, which means our scale factor had to work for each. This is now geometry. This is what we call our geometric shortcuts. When we prove things in geometry, you're going to be seeing things that are abbreviated. Why they didn't explain what this was, don't know. My water's out and that bothers me. This is called, and this is what it should be called, angle similarity. Angle similarity proves that triangles are similar. This only works for triangles if A matches up with A, B matches up with B. We don't need to check the third angle. We don't need to check any of the sides. If two angles that correspond are congruent, then the angles and the triangles are similar. Mr. H, what do you mean? Well, after that long lesson, wait till you get to this one, because this is a nice, easy, short lesson. What do I mean? What do I mean? Well, let's take a look. Angle similarity. Are the triangles below similar? Well, let's find out. ABC is a big triangle. A prime, B prime, C prime is not so big. We know nothing about their size. All we know is angle A, the measure of angle A, equals 31 degrees. And the measure of angle A prime equals 31 degrees. Notice that these are corresponding. Corresponding means that A matching up with A, because those are going to be in the same place always. What else do we know? We know that the measure of angle B is equal to 103 degrees, and the measure of angle B prime is also equal to 103 degrees. So I can say that angle A is congruent to angle B, or no, I can't. I can say angle A is congruent to angle A prime. I can also say angle B is congruent to angle B prime. Why? Because they have the same measure. That's what congruent means, exactly the same. If they're exactly the same, I have one set of angles. I have another set of angle. Therefore, these triangles are similar because of angle similarity. That's all you need to check. Does one angle match up with the other angle? Okay? Questions? Ms. Tucker, how many of those are you making? Okay, gotcha. Okay, so are we good here? So now, moving on, let's try another one. I told you this is going to be a short lesson. So we're looking for angle similarity. Here we go, we're looking at this one. Now, I'm going to give you a little hint here. So, measure of angle A equals 31 degrees. The measure of angle A prime equals 31 degrees. The measure of angle B is 85 degrees. The measure of angle B prime is 103 degrees. Hey, A and A prime still match up. That's great. B and B prime do not. B and B prime do not. So those angles are not congruent. Therefore, this is not similar because the angles have to be congruent that are, that's not the right letter. That's it. Oh, weave. Never mind. You're good. You know that's not going to fit there, right? Okay, good luck. Look how far weave, and where are you going to put come? Okay, perfect. Okay, so not similar because the angles don't match up. No angle similarity. Okay, Mr. H, I think I'm getting this. And then all of a sudden, you think you're getting it, and then I throw you this. You probably look at this and say, ha, A and A, 72, great. C and B, 48 and 60, no, they're not similar. Wrong. Take a look at C, take a look at B. These are the different angles. So to figure out if B's match up, we need to figure out what B is. So go back to module 2 and say, hey, I know what triangles add up to. 72 plus 48 plus B equals 180. That gives me 0. That's 11. That's 120 plus B equals 180. I subtract 120 from both sides. the angle B is 60 degrees. So B is 60 degrees. Snap. That's right. 35-year-old man just said, oh, snap. Now what? A and A now match up. B and B prime now match up. So I would say a triangle ABC is similar to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime because of angle. Similarity. Do I need any sides? No, I do not. All I need are the angles. And I think that might be the last example. Bam. Two triangles are said to be similar if they have two pairs of corresponding angles that are equal in measure. Equal in measure means congruent. Told you. Nice, easy, short lesson. Angle. Good luck. Where's my mouse? There it is. Stop.